Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to close a Tesla front trunk. First, ensure nothing obstructs the latch mechanism or the trunk's path. Stand directly in front of the trunk, facing the vehicle. Position your hands correctly to apply even pressure. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and secure closure every time. Let's get started with the right method to protect your vehicle's body and components. To close the front trunk correctly, place both hands on the reinforced areas, typically above the headlights on either side. Apply firm, even downward pressure with both hands at the same time. You should hear a clear click as the latch engages securely. Avoid slamming the trunk, as this can cause unnecessary stress on the hinges and body panels. A gentle, firm push is all that is needed for a perfect seal. Many people make the mistake of pushing down on the center of the front trunk. This can easily cause dents or misalignments over time. Applying uneven pressure, or pushing with only one hand, can also stress the hinges and body panels. Always double-check that no items are obstructing the latch or the trunk's closing path. Taking a moment to use the correct technique saves you from potential repairs. Remember to regularly inspect your front trunk latch for any debris or signs of wear. If the trunk doesn't close easily on the first attempt, don't force it. Simply lift it and try again, ensuring your hand placement and pressure are correct. A properly closed front trunk ensures safety and protects your belongings. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.